This is Ashley with Marshflower Studio. In this video, I'm going to be showing you guys how I make a little tiny heart. So this is one of my little stuffed animals that I've done recently. And from time to time, I will put little things like this on my little animals. Sometimes it's a star, sometimes it's a heart. In this case, the person that requested this one wanted a little red heart. So most of the heart appliques I had were a little bit too big, I felt like, for his tummy. So I came up with this pattern to make this one that's a little bit smaller, and it still has a really nice shape. So to do this, we need a magic circle, and everything that you need for this heart goes in this magic circle. Okay, so we're going to start with 3 double crochets. 1, 2, and 3. We're going to do a half double. Okay, and then we're going to do a single. We're going to do a chain 2, and in that second chain from the hook, we're going to do a slip stitch. So this is the bottom point of your heart. Okay, and then working our way back up the other side, we're going to do a single crochet, a half double, and then 3 doubles. 1, 2, and 3. All right, so for this point, you're pretty much done with your heart. I usually will do a chain 1 and then slip stitch into the magic circle. And then we're going to cut our working yarn, pull that loop through, and then we just have to tighten our magic circle. Okay, and then once you are ready to sew it to something, you can just use that, ending thread that you have there. But your little heart applique is all finished. So super fast, so super easy, and you have such a nice shaped heart here. So make sure you hit the like button for this little heart that you can make in less than a minute. Subscribe so you can see other videos as they get posted. If you have anything you'd like to see me make, put that in the comments and I will work on it. But thanks for watching, you guys. I really appreciate all the likes and all the subscribers that have already done so. It really means a lot that there are lots more people out there that really appreciate crochet and making things like I do. So thanks, you guys, and I will see you in the next video.